In this video, I'll show you the best way to cook turkey bacon. I'll be using Oscar Mayer turkey bacon, a 3-pack purchased from Sam's Club. Line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Open up your pack of turkey bacon. Place the bacon on the parchment paper. You should be able to get 10 to 12 pieces on a sheet. Put the sheets of bacon in the 350 to 400 degree preheated oven. Using a small cookie sheet or plate, cover with parchment paper and then with paper towels to catch excess grease. Halfway through the cooking time, flip the bacon. I like to use a fork so not to burn my fingers. Cook the bacon to your desired crispness. I typically like to make extra bacon to snack on later. Place the extra bacon in a gallon Ziploc and store it in the refrigerator. This is a great alternative to jerky with less sodium. Remember to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for future videos.